Lieutenant Governor of Delhi has ordered ACB probe into the registration of nursing homes after the neonatal hospital fire. We have Sagarika joining us with a detailed notification from LG's office, the letter that is written. Also joining us is Tejshri. But Saga, let's go over this letter by the LG office.
Yes, so the LG has now taken a very stern view, and he's written a note to the Chief Secretary. He goes on to say that I've taken a stern view in the matter. Though this is a transferred subject in larger public interest, I'm forced to step in on the account of lack of seriousness on the part of authorities entrusted with the responsibilities. There's an ACB probe that has been ordered now, and this ACB probe will assess as to how many nursing homes are functioning without valid registration and whether those which have valid registrations are complying with the prescribed norms as provided under Delhi Nursing Home Registration Act. He's also pointed out that there has been a serious question mark on the ministerial responsibility questioning the Aam Aadmi Party government. And he goes on to say that this is directly related to the health and lives of the residents of Delhi. He also went on to say that after the tragedy of this magnitude, which should have stirred the conscience of political leadership, he is disappointed that Chief Minister and the ministers in Delhi have only paid lip service, and they've given sound bites, finding alibis and shirking responsibility. He also goes on to say that the administration cannot be run on social media nor by brushing such serious matters under the carpet. Then he went on to talk about the numbers. He said that I'm given to understand that there are 1,190 nursing homes, of which more than a quarter are operating without a valid registration. Also, there are many nursing homes in the city which have never applied for a registration but are still operating. Even those nursing homes which have valid registration may not be meeting the safety and regulatory standards as prescribed in the Delhi Nursing Home Registration Act. This is what the LG has gone on to say. Then when he talks about how responsibility has been shirked, he also goes on to say that in a case like this, which should have stirred the conscience of politicians, only lip service was done. This is the latest that's coming in, Pranesh.
And he's obviously referring to the politics and statements by the Health Minister of Delhi. Tejshri also joining us for more on this. Yes, Tejshri.
Well, in fact, yes, and LG has said that looking into the seriousness of this matter, LG had to intervene, and that's why now this entire case will be probed by ACB. Further, he also mentions that it is a total absence of ministerial oversight and sheer mismanagement, and that since this entire incident has taken place, there has been only lip service given by the Chief Minister and his ministers. They only gave the sound bites, the media bites to the media, but in fact they did not act on the ground. And in fact he had also called out the reports, the reports of the past years, and have clearly mentioned that how the norms were flouted, and that is why now there is a need of thorough investigation in this entire matter. So that is why now LG has clearly hit out at the Aam Aadmi Party. We'll have to see that how Aam Aadmi Party responds to this particular
Let's see how the Delhi government responds to this.